Welcome to Next Level English, the podcast where you can relax, enjoy, and upgrade your English step by step.
Today we're diving into a skill that you need every single day, sharing opinions and making decisions.
Why? Because in real life, you don't just say yes or no. You give reasons, you change your mind, and you find compromises.
So in this episode, we'll cover 15 useful phrases that help you sound more natural, polite, and confident.
Get comfortable, grab your tea, and let's explore them together. First expression, to be honest. It's soft, it's friendly, and it prepares the listener for your real opinion.
To be honest, I'm too tired for a big dinner tonight.
Notice how this doesn't sound rude. It's like lowering the pressure.
Imagine you're with a friend. Where should we go for dinner?
To be honest, I'd rather order pizza and stay home.
Your turn, say it out loud.
To be honest, I'd rather stay in. Second expression, I'm not sure about that. It's a polite way to disagree.
Example. Let's take the 10 p.m. train.
I'm not sure about that. The last train back is pretty early.
This phrase keeps the door open for discussion instead of shutting it down.
Try this.
I'm not sure about that, it might be too expensive.
Third expression, it depends. Life is unpredictable, so you'll use this often. It's flexible and honest.
Should we book the hotel now?
It depends on the weather and the price tonight.
Pro tip, always add a reason after it depends. That makes your answer clear and helpful.
Say it with me.
It depends on my schedule.
Fourth expression, as far as I know. Use this when you're sharing knowledge, but not 100% certain.
As far as I know, the gallery is open late on Fridays.
This protects you if the information changes later. It's safe and natural.
Workplace example. Do we need to submit the report today?
As far as I know, the deadline is next Monday.
Repeat.
As far as I know, the store closes at 9. Fifth expression, from what I can tell. This works for quick judgments or observations.
From what I can tell, the reviews are solid, but the portions are small.
It shows you're basing your opinion on limited information, like reviews, quick looks, or someone's tone.
Friendship example. Do you think she's upset?
From what I can tell, she's just tired.
Now you.
From what I can tell, this app is easy to use. Sixth expression, if you ask me. This is perfect for sharing suggestions warmly.
If you ask me, we should book the early slot and take a walk after.
It frames your opinion as friendly advice, not a command.
Example. Should we drive or take the bus?
If you ask me, the bus is easier and cheaper.
Say it with me.
If you ask me, we should wait until tomorrow. Seventh expression, I see your point. This shows respect for someone's idea and keeps the conversation moving.
I see your point, weekends are busier. Maybe we go on Thursday instead.
Workplace example. Let's add more photos to the website.
I see your point, but it might slow down the loading time.
Try.
I see your point, but I still prefer option A.
Eighth expression, at the end of the day. This expression helps you refocus on what really matters.
At the end of the day, we just want good food and no stress.
Family example. Should we repaint the whole living room or just one wall?
At the end of the day, we just need it to feel cozy.
Say it aloud.
At the end of the day, health is more important than money.
Ninth expression, that being said. This balances your statement and shows nuance.
At the end of the day, we should save money. That being said, a small treat won't hurt.
Travel example. I know flights are expensive. That being said, this might be our only chance to go.
Repeat.
I'm tired. That being said, I'll help you finish this project. Tenth expression. Make up your mind. Use this when someone is hesitating too long.
We're going to miss the discount. Can you make up your mind?
Friends example. Sushi or burgers?
I can't decide.
Come on, make up your mind.
Now you.
Make up your mind. We don't have all day. 11th expression. I'm leaning toward. This is a gentle way to show your preference.
I'm leaning toward the earlier table, less noise, better light.
Office example. Which design do you prefer?
I'm leaning toward the second one.
Say it.
I'm leaning toward staying home tonight.
12th expression. On second thought. Perfect for changing your decision politely.
On second thought, let's skip tonight, the forecast just changed.
Friends example. Want dessert?
Yeah. On second thought, I'm too full.
Now you.
On second thought, I'll take the bus instead.
Thirteenth expression. Fair enough. This is a polite way to agree without too much enthusiasm.
You want to cook at home?
Fair enough. Let's order dessert only.
At work? The meeting might run long.
Fair enough. Let's keep it short then.
Say it.
Fair enough. Let's try your idea. 14th expression. You've got a point. Use this when you want to acknowledge someone's idea.
You've got a point, the later train might be more relaxed. But let's check the schedule.
It shows agreement while leaving space for your own view.
Say it.
You've got a point, but we still need more data. 15th expression. Let's meet halfway. This is a great phrase for compromise.
You want sushi, I want pasta, let's meet halfway with a fusion place.
Example. I want to go hiking.
I want to stay home.
Okay, let's meet halfway. A short walk in the park.
Your turn.
Let's meet halfway and split the chores.
Great job today, everyone. We covered 15 powerful expressions for sharing opinions and making decisions.
Practice them out loud, try them in real conversations, and soon they'll feel natural.
And if you enjoyed learning with us today, don't forget to follow and subscribe so you never miss the next episode.
If you found this helpful, please leave a like or review. It really helps others discover the show.
Even better, share this episode with a friend so you can practice together.
Thanks for joining us today on Next Level English.
Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember every small step brings you closer to fluency.
See you in the next episode.